At the field here today then we have this plane which was one of the last ones built by our late president, who sadly left us just about a month ago now, and I'm going to see if I can get it to fly. It seems to be loosely based on the Sig Wonder, and there's also flight test Bloody Wonders and other things. You can see it's raring to go in the wind. It doesn't seem to be exactly the same as any of those models. It has this Kf2 step aerofoil on the top. We'll see if we can get it into the air and see how it flies. Oh, he's away. I think the propeller's just parted company.
You only got half a propeller then, could you?
At the end, I believe so. Right. Oh well.
It flew.
It flew. I didn't stuff it completely. Well, it seemed reasonably well behaved. It just didn't seem to have enough grunt. And I think the cheapo folding prop that I put on it has possibly disintegrated. Let's take a look-see. Oh no, it is in fact intact. What's going on there then?
Throttle active.
Maybe it's just not big enough. Motor's not hot. Perhaps it would be prudent just to check the battery level, because it definitely seemed to fade at the end, which is why I thought the propeller had possibly come adrift.
12.1 volts.
Well, that sounds okay. I don't know what happened. The propeller is fine.
Throttle active.
It just seemed to
It just
die at the end.
died, didn't it?
So I've increased the rates.
Okay. So I'll have another little go.
We'll have another little go.
Okay.
Just
But it went off all right, didn't it?
Yeah.
It's stable enough.
It's. I don't think the CG is too far off. It's something else.
Volts.
Nice landing.
Well, at least it sort of pancakes in.
Yeah, it landed on that bit of road there, and it's fine. But it just lost power again, didn't it?
0.9 volts.
Yeah, I think it's the battery. It's only just over 1,000 milliamp. So maybe I have to go to.
I think there's still 13. One left in that box.
I've got
you got 13.
Dozens at home. In fact, yes, I have 13 and 15. So, Well, there's a mystery.
Throttle cut.
Some days later.
This won't take long. This won't take long.
It will. You changed the motor this time, or
No, I've changed the battery. The battery's now 1300.
Oh, okay.
So
we'll be away this time.
We should be.
All right, doesn't it?
Yeah. Okie dokie. Maybe it is the motor then. What's going on there, Graham? Once again, the battery just seems to be
It just seems
sagging.
to be draining it, doesn't it? I think there's a problem with, I don't think one of your blades had come right out of something, because you heard all that vibration to begin with,
Yeah.
and then it just stopped. So whether it
Right.
suddenly flicked out, I don't know. But it's all in one piece again.
Yes, it's very resilient. Back to the
Strange
drawing
that with the
board.
1300, because you could hear it dying, couldn't
Yeah.
you?
Well, maybe it's the speed controller. Maybe the speed controller's duff.
12.4 volts.
Voltage is fine.
Yeah.
If I...
Throttle active. 12.4.
Mine's released.
Throttle cut.
There we go. Oh well, back to the drawing board.
Eventually.
Before it gets any windier.
Yeah.
So we now have the 1300 in there,
Right.
and a fixed prop,
Fixed prop.
and hopefully a speed controller that doesn't go. Ready?
That is better.
Well, I would Coco. Nice one, Tom. When it's got a non-duff speed controller in it.
A bit of vibration. It doesn't like the full speed though, does it?
No, I think the motor in there is a bit hot for this particular model.
Goes well there. Oh, yes.
Yeah, it's definitely something vibrating there. Oh well, we know it flies
It flies well.
when it's got a decent speed controller in it.
Even in this wind, it's fairly stable, isn't it?
Yes, famous last words.
Yeah.
So yes, it is quite breezy, as Graham said, but at least we know that the design is sound, and Tom did a good job of building, as always. Bless him. Challenge now is to try and get it down in one piece. Not liking the look of those clouds over there. Yes, that definitely looks grim. So let's see. Well, she's down, and it's a very solid design. I don't think we'll push our luck any further today.
Throttle cut.
That was pretty good for it.
Yes, it helps if you have a speed controller that doesn't die.
Sorry.
The speed controller was duff,
Oh, right.
which is why it was just going, ugh. So,
That goes well now.
yes, nice one, Tom. Bless you.
Did you ever fly it?
No, not that I know of. When I picked it up, it was kind of almost ready to go, but I think it was his own creation. It's based on a Sig Wonder, that flight tested one, but he's put this Kf2 step aerofoil on it, which Works well.
Yeah, it does.
Nice one, Tom. And there we have it then. Tom's Wonder does fly when it's got the right components in it. And many thanks for watching.